Want to get cheat sheets, audiobooks, lessons, apps, and much more every month for free? Just click the link in the description to get your free language gifts of the month.
Hi everyone, my name is Perihan and this is Arabic Top Words. Today's topic is going to be about 10 phrases to help you in an emergency. First, you need to know what the word emergency means. The word emergency in Arabic is طوارئ, طوارئ. And in case of emergency, في حالة الطوارئ, في حالة الطوارئ. So you would need help in an emergency case. أنا محتاج مساعدة في حالة الطوارئ. I need help in an emergency case. أنا محتاج مساعدة في حالة الطوارئ. So let's get started. من فضلك اتصل بالبوليس. Call the police please. The first phrase we have من فضلك اتصل بالبوليس. من فضلك اتصل بالبوليس. Call the police please. You can also say من فضلك اتصل بالنجدة. نجدة, which is the colloquial way of saying the police. نجدة. So in Egypt for police you can call 122 122, or for the tourist police if you're a foreigner you can call 126 126. عندك حرارة? Do you have a fever? عندك حرارة? عندك حرارة? Do you have a fever? You can also hear عندك سخونية? عندك سخونية? Do you have a fever? Usually the foreigners are not used to the heat in Egypt. It's very sunny, so they get a sunstroke. So don't forget to always apply a thick layer of sunscreen, hat, sunglasses is a must. Always have a parasol with you, because if you get a sunstroke, it's very difficult to recover. You're gonna be sick for at least 1 week. So please take care of yourself and try not to have a fever. مش لاقي الباسبور بتاعي. I cannot find my passport. The next one is مش لاقي الباسبور بتاعي. مش لاقي الباسبور بتاعي. I cannot find my passport. We use the word passport for a passport, and if you really want the Arabic translation, it's جواز السفر. جواز السفر. جواز means permit and سفر means to travel, so it's a travel permit. So you can say مش لاقي جواز السفر or جواز السفر ضاع. غالباً أكلت حاجة مش كويسة. I think I ate something bad. غالباً أكلت حاجة مش كويسة. غالباً أكلت حاجة مش كويسة. I think I ate something bad. That's when you're feeling like your stomach is upset, you're vomiting, or you have a fever, you have a stomachache. You can say أنا حاسس, I feel like إني أكلت حاجة مش كويسة. أنا حاسس إني أكلت حاجة مش كويسة. I feel like I've eaten something bad. Usually Egyptian food is full of fat, it's full of butter. So if you're not used to it, maybe the first few days you will have a stomachache or your stomach will be a little upset. So you can use this sentence to express that you have a problem to the pharmacy or to a doctor. حاسس إني أكلت حاجة مش كويسة. أنا محتاج دكتور. I need a doctor. The next one is أنا محتاج دكتور. أنا محتاج دكتور. I need a doctor. You can also say محتاج أروح المستشفى. محتاج أروح المستشفى. I need to go to the hospital. Or اطلب لي الإسعاف. اطلب لي الإسعاف. Can you call an ambulance for me? اطلب لي الإسعاف. If you're in Cairo and you need an ambulance, please call 123. 123. أنا مش عارف طريق الرجوع للفندق. I cannot find the way back to my hotel. مش عارف طريق الرجوع للفندق. مش عارف طريق الرجوع للفندق. I cannot find my way back to the hotel. You can also say مش عارف أرجع للفندق. I cannot go back to the hotel. So if you need to stop someone to describe you the way, you can say أنا قاعد في فندق شيراتون. I'm staying at the Sheraton Hotel, for example. وأنا مش لاقي طريق الرجوع للفندق. مش لاقي طريق الرجوع للفندق. Or مش عارف أرجع للفندق. I cannot find my way back to the hotel. So ممكن تساعدني. ممكن تساعدني. Can you help me? في صيدلية قريبة. Is there a pharmacy nearby? The next one is في صيدلية قريبة. في صيدلية قريبة. Is there a pharmacy nearby? For a foreigner, you're very lucky because if you have a stomachache or you have a headache or you feel like you're very sick, you don't really have to go to the doctor, or like you don't really have to reserve an appointment in Egypt, because usually in every pharmacy there is a doctor there. He can give you an injection, he can prescribe you some medicine, or if you feel bad, all you have to do is to go to the nearest pharmacy and just describe what you have or how you feel, and they most likely are going to give you medicine. ممكن تساعدني. Can you help me? ممكن تساعدني. ممكن تساعدني. Can you help me? You can also say محتاج مساعدتك. I need your help. So if you're in a trouble and you can just ask some random person ممكن تساعدني. لو سمحت ممكن تساعدني. من فضلك اتصل بالمطافي. Call the fire department please. من فضلك اتصل بالمطافي. من فضلك اتصل بالمطافي. Call the fire department please. من فضلك اتصل بالمطافي. مطافي. Or اطلب المطافي. اطلب المطافي. If you need to call the firefighters in Egypt, you should call 180 180. مش قادر أقف. I can't stand up. مش قادر أقف. مش قادر أقف. I cannot stand up. If you feel like you're very physically sick, you can just say مش قادر أقف. Or مش قادر أقوم. I cannot get up. I cannot move my body. مش قادر أحرك جسمي. I cannot move my body. So these are all variations you can use, like if you feel physically tired. حاسس إن جسمي همدان. حاسس إن جسمي همدان. It means I feel like my body is very weak. حاسس إن جسمي همدان. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. Why don't you tell us in the comments below about how you handle an emergency situation. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and visit our website, arabicpod101.com. Bye bye.